Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's Aja Santos. Today I'm showing you guys one of my favorite DIY hair masks. So come on, let's get started. So these are the ingredients that you need. If you don't have everything, that's okay. Just use what you have or make substitutes. So you guys, this mask is really good for when you're experiencing a lot of breakage and shedding. It's also good with dandruff and itchy scalp, and just really helps to make your hair stronger and add moisture to your hair. So I'm in my bathroom. I'm about to wash this out. I've had this aloe vera, avocado, olive oil mixture in my hair for about 2 hours now. And my hair is really soft and really, like, my curls are defined. So I'm really impressed with this. I definitely think I'll be trying this again, but I think the aloe vera is irritating my skin right now because it's itching like so much. But I'm gonna go ahead, jump in the shower and wash this out, and I'll be